This webinar is presented by APPSeCONNECT, integrating CRM with ERP system, along with the association of Zoho CRM. ERP and CRM are used widely across all industries and became inevitable tool in today's business. Each organization is having a large number of sales and support resources to provide pre-sales, sales, customer service, and support. CRM is the application to automate these business processes. On the other hand, ERP is used mainly by back-office users for a wide variety of business process management, such as purchase, sales, production, accounting, payroll, sales forecasting, production planning, inventory management, order processing and shipment, etc. So, CRM is the prime channel for data input. Leads, accounts contacts, opportunities, quotations, orders. Sales employees punch through this data by meeting prospects and customers, phone and email, marketing campaigns, newsletters, events, etc. So, sales employees are the prime input of this data. They meet the leads and existing customers as well as partners in different areas across their job role, punch through this data within the CRM system. While ERP is the back-end application for data processing, managing company details with multiple contact person, showing sales forecasting based on sales opportunities, planning production or purchase based on quotations, planning delivery or shipment based on orders, and maintaining important accounting entries for orders and invoices, showing important accounting reports such as balance sheet, PL statement, etc. So these are the main areas where CRM and ERP are being used in an organization. The problems if CRM and ERP is not connected or not in sync. So delay in entering CRM data like leads, accounts, quotation, order, etc. get entered in ERP. Data entry errors, rectification of this further delays the processing. Huge operational cost to manually enter and maintain data. So these are the prime problems. Whenever the delay happens to enter the CRM data in the ERP, these are the prime problems which happen. Now, big gap in what is the consequences? Let's understand that. The consequences will be big gap in interdepartmental communication. Like sales employee has less ideas about latest discounts and price lists for different segments. Data entered by sales employee in CRM for an urgent order delayed to be entered in ERP by delivery personnel. Production or purchase planning has not happened against an order because production manager got notification of that order several days after the order has been placed. Other problems are like data mismatch in ERP. Lead entered in CRM got entered in ERP 2 days later. And in the meantime, the CRM, that lead already converted to account and contact and with active opportunity, is in active communication with the salesperson. A seasonal price discount withdrawn from ERP remain active in CRM and sales employee places order based on that discount. Improper inventory allocation and sales forecasting. For example, order entered in ERP got quick inventory allocation and processed, while orders coming from CRM might have urgent delivery but delayed because of data entry. Another problem like 5 opportunities created for May 2016 has not yet entered in ERP, so sales forecasting not encountering these if I run the sales forecasting for the month of May. Problems if these systems are not in sync. And mainly these problems are leading to data mismatch. For example, lead entered in CRM got entered ERP 2 days later. And in the meantime, the CRM, the lead already converted. So there are these problems, as I mentioned, which we have just discussed, are real for a business. And if not taken care of in time, then can be costly and fatal to recover. So this leads to increased order processing time, sales reps and back office gap, wrong sales forecasting, outdated information within one or other platform. So we understand till now that there are these ERP and CRMs are widely used in organization. These two systems has its own data. These two systems has its own data to which are entered and processed by different departments, while CRM is mostly used by sales employees and ERP are mostly used by the other organizations. And these two, if not connected, there are many data mismatch, and we have mentioned what can be the real life problems. The solution of this integration is APPSeCONNECT. Now, in this part, the CRM and ERP need to be connected, as I mentioned, with each other for greater business efficiency. Leads, accounts, contacts, opportunity, sales orders, sales quotations, lead conversion, which are recorded in CRM, need to be applied to the ERP as well as quickly as possible for further processing, validation, shipment, delivery. Similarly, like product information updates, pricing changes, seasonal discount updates in price lists, which happen within an ERP system, need to reach in the CRM system in real time, so that whenever the sales reps logs in, they can see the updated information. APPSeCONNECT as an integration solution achieves all these integration tasks in fully automated and bidirectional manner. In this part, we will showcase the integration between CRM and ERP using Zoho CRM and SAP Business One ERP system later in this session. And we, in this slide, in this presentation slide, we'd like to discuss why Zoho CRM is an ideal CRM system for SMEs. So for this, we have Gopal Sripada from Zoho Corp, who will discuss with us why Zoho CRM is an ideal CRM system for SMEs. We know that it's a very lightweight application. It's a cloud-based system. It has its own advantages. It's very easy to use and affordable for organization. But it's better that Gopal should explain all these things. So over to Gopal now.
Thank you so much. This is Gopal from Zoho CRM. I take care of product marketing for CRM suite of products. Zoho CRM is in business for more than 10 years. Last year we celebrated our 10th anniversary. We have thousands of customers in small and medium enterprises and big enterprises. We offer a 360-degree view of customer lifecycle that includes Salesforce automation, marketing automation, customer support, and to some extent inventory management. One of the most frequently integrations that we receive from our customers is integration with their backend or back office ERP systems like SAP, Microsoft Navision. Zoho CRM is quite popular in customer centricity software. So we need to definitely work with integration partners like APPSeCONNECT and others. We have to and APPSeCONNECT. They are doing a wonderful job and it works seamlessly with Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM also comes with mobile apps for iOS and Android devices. It is very good for scanning cards, business cards. And most importantly, it is scalable, and as your business grows, right, it is affordable and it is extendable. With this, I would request Subhajit to take over. Thank you.
Thanks, Gopal, for your view in the in the of Zoho CRM. We really appreciate that. So as we understand, and just Gopal explained, so just a quick brief, Gopal Sripada is the product, pre-sales manager from Zoho Corp, and he specifically works for Zoho CRM. He is associated with us in this webinar so that he can explain the CRM features to a larger audience. So now we would like to move to our next segment of APPSeCONNECT CRM integration. So basically, Zoho CRM, as I mentioned, is a very lightweight, cloud-based CRM application, widely used by thousands of users across the globe in almost all the geographic, and it's very affordable for the organizations. And we are offering integration between Zoho CRM and two very popular ERP systems, SAP Business One and Microsoft Dynamics Nav. This one is for the small and mid-size enterprises. And similarly, Microsoft Dynamics Nav is also offered by Microsoft Corporation, again towards the same target market, small and mid-size enterprises. So now we will showcase a live demonstration of SAP Business One and Zoho CRM. Just stay with us so that we can load our demo system environment and sharing. So I hope you're able to, and I have my SAP server in this section, and I will introduce the components which we have used for this integration here. So first of all, let's move to Zoho CRM segment. Zoho CRM has different modules and also has different plans. Specifically, we would like to mention the pricing plans. It has the premium edition, like professional plan. It has enterprise plan for different size of the users. And APPSeCONNECT is compatible with all these pricing plans according to the usage of the end customer. So here we would like to start with the common steps used by a sales employee. So first, let us think that we are a sales employee of a CRM system. What tasks we will perform being a sales employee? So first of all, I might, get some leads while I am moving into some event or into some, some area where I'll get some leads being a sales employee. It can depend on my business type. The leads can vary. The participation in event or summit or direct participation can also vary, but let's start with this process. So let's say this is a lead, this is the company, and we'd like to quickly enter the names here. First name and last name of this lead. Let's say he is the CEO of the company. Email ID. And I can enter some more details quickly here if I require. Website I can provide. Lead source. It can be anything: employee referral, external referral, advertisement, cold calls. Let's say this is a cold call lead. Lead status is I'm trying to contact with him, attempted to contact. I can quickly provide some address for these leads. So this data might vary in future, might get changed according to the need. Quickly entering the address, country is US, saving this lead. So the lead is saved. Now this lead need to quickly go to the ERP system so that ERP users, the C-level managers in an organization, they have the idea what are the new leads getting added. So in ERP also we have the basic feature of storing the information, and to sync the data to the ERP we have this small app installed in SAP server. So this is our SAP server, this is SAP Business One. It has various modules as we can see, and we have the small app called APPSeCONNECT Agent. This is installed in the ERP system in ERP server, and it has the sync triggers. The sync triggers can work automatically or manually depending on the requirement, and can be configured to automatically run some triggers on schedule as well. So we would like to transfer the data from Zoho CRM to SAP Business One. We'll expand the triggers. It has various triggers, but we would like to add a lead. So we have a trigger called lead add. So if I run this for now manually, this demonstration we will quickly see the data sync. So we have log associated as well. We can see whether it has been successfully synced or not, and if synced, what is the ID of this. If not synced, if any error comes in, then it will also show here. So now we will quickly go to business partners. Here we are in business partners master data, and we can search through the lead. This was the last one, Serpent Corp. So we can see this is the lead. It's getting added within the ERP system, and it has the address in the contact person section. If I go, this is the contact person. It has all the details which I mentioned. We have not configured just because this is a demo system. We have kept as it is, but the remarks 1 field can be configured as the stage, and remarks 2 can be configured as lead source. So the name can be changed easily. So the data which are required to captured through the APPSeCONNECT integration system, and it's showing here. Now what will happen if the lead gets converted in the ERP in the CRM system? So now as a sales employee, I have some more detailed conversation with this lead. So what I will do, I will convert this lead to account and contact, and now I have a potential for this lead. Potential value is $500, and I have a closing date of 31st May. I am assuming I can close this. Stage is the needs analysis, and contact role who is associated with me, he is the developer or evaluator. So converting this lead. So once I convert this lead, now let's see what will happen in the ERP system. So previously the business partner, as we can see, has been added as a lead in the ERP system. Let's close this screen, go to APPSeCONNECT. We have a trigger called business partner add against lead conversion. So lead converted to account and contact. So we will just quickly run this, and then we will check whether the lead is converted to ERP or not. So we can see it's successful. Now if I go to business partner master data, search through in find mode, let's search through Z008 Serpent Corp, who was previously a lead, now became a customer. It's converted within my ERP system as well. It's been added as a customer. The contact persons which were previously available now lead converted, but the contact person remains same. But if any new contact person is added with this account in CRM, that will also be added within the ERP as well. So I have added a potential as well against this customer. So now as I can see, if we move to potentials, I can see there is a potential against Serpent Corp of $500. So in general, this needs to be synced to ERP as well, so that all these potentials can be shown as sales opportunities, and people can see all these sales opportunities within the ERP system and plan their production or purchase accordingly. So let's move to ERP. Going to APPSeCONNECT, we have a section to add this potential from Zoho to SAP Business One. Sales opportunity add. Quickly running this. Now if I go, I can see the opportunity has been added and put as number 5 opportunity. I also got the opportunity code. So sorry, if I go to sales opportunities module and open up the record, so I can see this is the last opportunity which has been added within the ERP system against Serpent Corp. Contact person of this is Harry Potter from this organization, and it has all the details. If I go in stages, I can see the stage for this is need analysis, just like the stage in the CRM system. So in this way, if the sales opportunities got synced from CRM to ERP, the back office users always have the idea what opportunities they have and when, and accordingly they can plan their production or purchase. Now let's move to other segment. So what happens if the lead has placed an order, or I send a quote. Being a sales employee, I send a quote to this lead. So we will quickly go to Zoho and quickly add a quotation. So to add a quote, we can use the new products or we can use the existing products. Existing products, already some products I have synced from ERP to CRM, but for this I would first want to sync a new product from ERP to CRM system. So mainly the product information is maintained within the ERP system. So let's add a new product and let's quickly check this process. So new product, let's say it's IT004. Description, it's Samsung Galaxy S9. It has three kind of prices, one for general, one for retailer, and other for wholesaler. So three prices this product has. With description, we can add in the remarks tab. So this is the basic product I am adding. This is a mobile phone that I am adding, and it has three prices. One is for general, and two other price lists is available in the ERP system. One is for the retailers, others is for the wholesalers. So I have different prices in this segment. So let's add this product. Now, whatever product is available in the in the ERP system, it can be selectively added to the CRM system as well. So existing product we can add, or we can add new product also according to our need. So we'll go to product add section. And let's check. This is a new product, IT004, pushed successfully. So now let's check this. And but it has different prices, as I mentioned, one for wholesaler, one for retailer, one is general. So, and Zoho, as being a CRM, also has a price book feature. It has different price books for different segment. So let's add those prices, different prices for different segment of customers. So all the triggers which I am clicking can be configured in a fully automated manner. It will work, and it will, all these sync triggers can also run on certain intervals. So there are three modes. You can run the triggers manually. You can run the triggers automatically in real time, and you can run the triggers on a scheduled interval. So now if I move to Zoho and go to product section, I can see Samsung Galaxy S9 IT004 has been added, and if I check, this is the basic details. If I move below, I can see it has different prices, price books, prices according to Zoho norms, and these prices are basically the ERP prices for different segment of customers, which has been synced. But this product doesn't have any quantity. And it's not good if, as a sales employee, if I see that this product is not in stock, I cannot offer, or I cannot add a quotation generally, because the product which is not in stock should not be ordered or quoted. So if the stock update happen in the ERP system, then what should happen? So first of all, we will run through a simple trigger, because Zoho CRM is saying the product has been uploaded to Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM generates an ID for the product. So for further process, like for stock update, we need to sync a trigger called product response sync, so that the Zoho ID get added in the ERP system, and further updates on the product like stock updates, price updates can run smoothly. So now if I go to SAP Business One, we can go quickly to inventory transactions, goods received. Let's take some stock for this item, IT004. Let's take a stock of 20 with a unit price of $200 that I am purchasing as an organization from any of my vendor. I have quickly added a goods received. Now if I go to APPSeCONNECT, APPSeCONNECT can sync all the stock updates which are happening against the products which are listed in the CRM system and ERP system both. So it can add those stocks real time to the CRM system, so that the sales employee always have the idea what is the current stock available. So I can see IT004 has been pushed successfully. Now if I move to Zoho CRM and just again run through the same section of products, Samsung Galaxy S9 now has a quantity in stock of 20. So now being a sales employee, I am able to offer it, can quote it, can take orders for this item. So now if I quickly go to quote section, I'll add a new quote. So I can take the quote against a particular potential as well, against Serpent Corp. Subject. Serpent Corp Samsung quote Samsung deal, and this is valid till 31st May. Let's say it's in negotiation stage. Contact is Harry Potter, and I can add the billing shipping address, and I need to add the line items. So here I will take the latest item which I've just added the quantity, or let's say a couple of products that they have ordered. So this is the product in offer, Samsung Galaxy S9. So I can see here the Serpent Corp Samsung deal has been added as a quote here within this section. So all the quotations which are added here will be synced to the ERP system, so that the ERP users have the basic idea what are the quotations which has been sent and to which customers. So they plan their production or purchase based on, basically production or purchase planning is happen based on sales opportunities and quotations or orders. So these things need to remain within the ERP system, and then only the ERP users, the back office users particularly, they can quote effectively. So we would like to transfer from Zoho to SAP Business One Direction, and we want to transfer the sales quotation. We would like to add the sales quotation. So once the sales quotation has been added, is successful, now we will just go to the sales quotation section. Under sales AR, we have sales quotation. You can see in the last record here, Serpent Corp, Harry Potter, all the details which has been added is showing here. Dropbox update বন্ধ করতে বল ঠাকুরের। It's showing here, and we can see the quantity ordered, the amount, everything within this segment through sales quotation. Now let's say the further discussion process proceed with this particular lead, with this particular opportunity where I have quoted and they have placed an order. So being a sales employee, I will just simply convert this quote to a sales order. Because they send me a purchase order, I can add that in the notes section of the CRM system, all the purchase order details. I have simply converted this quotation to a purchase order. Until it is converted to a sales order, the quote, as we know, can be multiple times updated. Whenever a quote gets updated in the CRM, the same updates will Well, so we can see here that we can see here that the invoice has been created within the CRM system. So now, if we go to the ERP system, so this invoice need to reach to the ERP system which sales employees created within the CRM system. So here we have an option of adding the AR invoice. So adding the AR invoice here. Now let's check. So you can see it is pushed as number 2. So now we can go to AR invoice section. We can see. So this is an area we can see that the Serpent Corp AR invoice, which is created within the CRM system, has been added within the ERP system, in the back office ERP system. So sales employees place an invoice, and organization has now the idea about that invoice. Similarly, there are other features as well. As I mentioned that many of the integration points works in a bidirectional manner, and we can think that like we can sync the leads or customers, accounts, contacts in format. We can have all these data within the ERP system, and this can sync back to the CRM system as well. So offline leads which are not generated by the sales employees, might be later on you are associating a sales employee with any particular lead. So you can associate that employee with that particular lead within the ERP system, and can simply upload all these like leads. Add this is Zoho to B1. Let's see B1 to Zoho. So you can simply add those leads, offline leads, associate sales employees, and those leads detail will be synced to the CRM system, and the sales employee will be added. Will be the responsible person for that lead, and they can access that lead information and can browse through further. So in this way, it works in a bidirectional manner. Mostly the sales employees operations works in the direction of Zoho CRM to SAP Business One, and the product updates, pricing updates, stock updates, these kind of things which happen within the ERP system reach to the Zoho CRM system, so that sales reps always has the idea what actually happened in the back office ERP system, what kind of updates, what kind of discounts which are available currently, what are the different kinds of prices which are offered to different segments. So in this way, the integration happened between Zoho and SAP Business One ERP, and we hope that you have all followed us throughout this demo. Let's return to the presentation now. So let's have a quick recap what we have discussed in this presentation. So basically, we have discussed that what are the features, typical features of a CRM and typical features of an ERP system. Like CRM is mostly used by sales employees and other organization members to have a clear idea what is the sales and marketing opportunities. And ERP is mostly used by other departments of organization for further data processing, like processing of orders, planning the purchase or planning the production, understanding of the sales opportunities, creating reports. So this kind of things. Now, why basically CRM and ERP need to be connected? Because there are many operational hazards if these two systems are not connected and do not talk to each other, and it can lose the business efficiency. And we have shown that why Zoho CRM is an ideal solution for SMEs. It's a very lightweight and cloud-based, easy-to-use application. And Gopal from Zoho Corp has briefed us, has shown us, have mentioned us that why Zoho CRM is an ideal CRM for SMEs. And then we came to that how we can connect Zoho CRM with the back office ERP system through the APPSeCONNECT integration platform. And we have shown a live demonstration between Zoho CRM and SAP Business One integration through the APPSeCONNECT integration platform. So if you have any question, you can use the chat box which is available with you with your Zoho within your Join Me. So you can chat through here. if you have any question. I think I already have few questions directed to me, so which I'd like to mention first. So first question is, which version of Zoho CRM are you compatible with? So as I mentioned during this session that Zoho CRM has different plans. It has professional plan, it has enterprise plan, and we are compatible with both. The second question that we received is that what license you need in the SAP side. So I guess you are talking about the integration process. So basically we need DI server license in the SAP Business One side for this integration. The third question that I got, can salesperson be able to see product updates of ERP? Yes, through APPSeCONNECT integration, a salesperson can see few all the product updates, like the product information updates, generic product information, generic product pricing updates in a price list or in general price list. They can also see if there are any discounted price available or not. They will be able to see what is the latest stock available. So yes, the salesperson or the sales rep accessing the CRM system will be able to get the product updates. They will not realize it really because it will happen in the background. The connector will push this automatically, but they will be updated always with the most updated information of the ERP within the CRM. Another question which I received is, what is price book? So typically this is a Zoho feature. If I think he should answer this, but now he was very busy. He just came for 5 minutes and described the slide and then left. So allow me to explain. So price book is basically a feature where you can maintain multiple prices for multiple segments of customers within Zoho. So this is a very similar thing of ERP and CRM. In ERP, mostly this is called price list. You can maintain multiple price lists against multiple customer segments. And in Zoho also, you can maintain multiple price books. Each price book can be for different customers or for different customer groups. You can associate that according to your requirement. And another question which I received, why external CRM required for SAP B1 user? So SAP Business One has basically a CRM system within, as you have seen, the business partner master data. It can store the leads. You can convert it from lead to customer. That's true. But there are many other things which can be performed in a more better way within a dedicated CRM system. Because ERP should have a basic CRM feature, but there are many other things. If you visit zoho.com/CRM and you take a free trial of Zoho CRM, so then you can easily understand that why Zoho CRM or an external CRM particularly is very efficient than an inbuilt CRM within an ERP system. We are not saying that the inbuilt CRM is not useful at all. It's not possible. The inbuilt CRM is useful definitely, but it doesn't have all the features, advanced features, which are very required nowadays. Another question which we received, what is the pricing of Zoho? See, basically, I think it would be better if you visit the zoho.com/CRM system. It's showing in this slide. You can visit there and you can see all the prices and plans. And I think, yeah. Will tax be updated as well for both line items and quote level? Yes, tax will be updated in line items and quote level. Where Zoho maintain it, I think, in the quote level. If it can be customized in line items, it can be maintained, because in the ERP side, tax can be maintained in both line items and quotation or order level, document level as well. So we can sync the tax according to the requirement. For this demonstration, we have used the exempt tax as you have seen, because this is just a demo system, but there can be taxation according to the requirement. Different tax codes can be defined, and we can map the CRM tax code with the ERP tax codes. Another is mobile interface available. I think you are talking this for in the context of the CRM system. So yes, it has mobile interface available for both for Zoho CRM, for iPad, iPod, for iPad, Android, iOS and Android. Definitely it has available. For the connector, as we are mostly all the integration will happen in a fully automatic manner. So that's why a CRM, a mobile app for particularly this one is not required, because once this is configured, all the sync will happen mostly in automatic manner. But yes, APPSeCONNECT has a cloud application, and which can be accessed through mobile, and you can run the triggers, which I have shown you from the desktop app. You can run the triggers from the cloud app. Pricing for APPSeCONNECT, again, this is something which is available in appseconnect.com. You can visit appseconnect.com pricing page to see the pricing plans. This is available. So for both the Zoho CRM pricing is available in zoho.com/CRM. The pricing of APPSeCONNECT is available in appseconnect.com. So we have about 2-3 minutes more. If you'd like to, if you have any other question, kindly type it here. So I assume you have no questions left. So we hope you all enjoyed this session. We would love to answer all your queries in the webinar. Whatever you have asked, we have tried to answer all of these questions as best as we can. So we would like to thank you for your participation in the event. And as I mentioned, once the webinar is over, within 3 to 4 business days, we will send you more details about the session. And if you have plans to join in our upcoming webinars, kindly visit our site appseconnect.com/webinars, this page. So in this page, we have another webinar scheduled to happen in May, and other webinars will be scheduled in next month as well. Thanks for all your participation.